This is a great freshwater canal in a growing area of northeast Cape Coral. Build your home and enjoy views from this western exposure on Dennis Canal, which opens up to Mull Lake. Lot is cleared and ready for you to install the seawall and build on it. The location is fantastic, conveniently located within minutes of US 41, making easy to travel up and down the Gulf Coast. Very quiet neighborhood, but yet very close to supermarkets and shopping. Come check out this lot and you will see why this is a perfect place to build your dream home and start enjoying the serenity and peacefulness of Florida living. Lot is to the left to the yellow house with red garage door.